They caught the coronavirus after they were vaccinated. At least 23 patients and employees at a Houston area nursing home have recently contracted COVID-19.
Some of those individuals had been fully vaccinated, but they still got the virus.
Now remember, doctors said this is possible. Just because you get the vaccine, it doesn't mean you're immune from catching the coronavirus.
But the nursing home outbreak in Brenham is raising both questions and concerns from within this community, especially since so many people inside that facility caught the virus at the same time.
KPRC2's Brenham Walker is live in Brenham now with the exclusive story, the story you'll see only on 2 tonight. Brandon?
And good evening to you, Chris, from Focused Care at Brenham, which confirms that outbreak. They also tell us that it all happened during routine testing as mandated by the state. They do so twice a week. That's when they found out that those test results came back positive, although the staff members and residents who did contract coronavirus, tested positive at least, are not here. For the most part, those residents are at Focused Care's facility in Baytown, the employees vaccinating, doing what they need to do. But as you mentioned, while doctors say that this can happen, there are a lot of questions, particularly among the family, the relatives of the residents here who, despite being vaccinated, did in fact test positive.
She seems to be doing well.
At 95, Francine Riedel is one strong woman.
Recuperating, and she's not intubated. She's not on oxygen, for what I understand.
Riedel's daughter, Nanette Riedel Mendez, on what she understands from what a doctor told her. Mom is hospitalized, caught the coronavirus.
How and why did it happen?
Good question, as Riedel Mendez says her mother is vaccinated. Here's the vaccination card showing Miss Riedel received her second shot of Pfizer's vaccine January 28th. Yet Riedel Mendez says the nursing home called her March 1st to tell her mom had tested positive. Riedel Mendez says her mother was asymptomatic until Sunday when she collapsed and was hospitalized.
She wasn't just an anomaly.
Focused Care at Brenham confirmed to KPRC2 17 residents tested positive. 8 had not received their second dose, although 9 had been fully vaccinated. 6 staff members tested positive too.
It doesn't preclude you from getting infected, but the risks are considerably lower.
Dr. Pedro Piedra of the Baylor College of Medicine says vaccines don't prevent an infection. They work hard at stopping an illness. He says that's what Pfizer's 95% efficacy rate means.
It's 95% effective against the outcome that they studied.
Yeah, the doctor there can't speak to any specific cases here, so offering some oversight as to what may be. Another point of his is a nursing home facility, no one in, no one out other than staff employees. And so say, for instance, a highly infected or with a highly infectious case of the coronavirus walked in, it's a closed setting. So the probability of infections taking place even after the vaccination is high, he says. But the question among relatives here is, what does the state need to know? What should the state need to do about cleaning protocols and whatnot, if in fact this is a possibility? That's what families want to know, and that's why they're sharing this story tonight. We're live in Brenham. I'm Brandon Walker, KPRC2 News.